Have you ever wanted to make your web browser follow your instructions? In this video, I will show you how you can do it for free using a Chrome extension and also using Gemini 2.5. This is a great free alternative to ChatGPT operator or Chrome computer, and you will only need to head to Chrome Web Store and search for Nanobrowser. So you simply click on Add to Chrome, Add extension, and it will add the extension to your Chrome browser. If you click here, you can see that it's here, Nanobrowser. So I'm going to pin it so it appears for me here. And then I'm going to click on it and it says, welcome to Nanobrowser, open settings. I will do so. And we need to provide LLM provider. You can choose whichever you want. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be using Gemini, but you can use OpenAI, Anthropic, or Grok, or Olama as well. So let's choose Gemini, and it asks me for API key. To get the API key for Gemini, we need to go to aistudio.google.com and click on here, Get API Key. You can, if you don't have an API key, you can click here, Create API Key. But I'm going to use my own key, so I'm going to copy it from here and go to the settings of Nanobrowser and paste my API key here. And here we have the models available. For the planner, okay, we need to click Save. Then for the planner, I'm going to use Flash Preview, but I'm going to use for all of them Flash Preview. You can use any other models if you want. You can use the Pro model, but it's a paid one, so you could use free as well. So that's about it. We have set this up and we can start to work. So basically, oh yeah, if you want to use speech to text, so then as well we need to use a model from available models that we have here. So once this is set up, that's everything you need to do. So if you click on plus sign, you have this sidebar where you can enter prompt or speak in your microphone. I'm just going to open a new tab here. This sidebar stays all the same intact. And let's give him some tasks. So I'm going to write a simple instruction to go to, let's say, eBay and find top 5 most expensive keyboards. So go to eBay and find top 5 expensive keyboards. And as you can see, my hands are here. I'm not doing anything. This is completely automatic. It analyzes the page and searches for the keyboard. And now it probably will sort them by price. As you can see here on the side, it's looking for the highest price. And now it should give me the results here. As you can see here, Planner responded, the top 5 most expensive keyboards found on eBay, and gives me the price and the name. You could ask also for probably URL of these products. And yes, this is one way to use it, but the other way is you don't need to connect any other APIs like in N8N or make.com because this extension is using your browser. For example, I'm already signed into my Twitter account or Gmail account or Facebook account, and it could respond to emails, it could send emails, it could manage emails without me ever connecting it, like in, for example, in N8N. So this extension is not 100% perfect. It still probably makes mistakes, but it's a great tool to use for every day, some repeated tasks that you do, for example, for scraping, etc. And we could do one more test. So I'm going to use voice command now. Please go to my Twitter and repost Elon Musk's latest post. And it just wrote what I said into microphone, and I click send. And because I'm already signed into my Twitter, it will go now to my Twitter account. I'm already logged in, so it doesn't need to be connected with API or any other method that you would use in no-code platforms like N8N or make.com. He searches for Elon Musk. Probably will find it. I don't know if he will find the correct account, but he will do, as you can see here. And he will just repost the latest post by him, or post that he already has reposted. So let's see if this extension can handle it. As I mentioned before, sometimes it makes mistakes and sometimes it gets lost in the page, but for very simple tasks, very good. And as I mentioned before, I'm not using my hands. This is all done automatically. And as you can see, the validator didn't validate this. Okay. And it's like stuck in some kind of loop because I think it's too many functions on the page. And maybe if you use more advanced model than Gemini Flash, then it could handle this. It says task failed, but let's see if let's go to my profile and let's see. Actually, it did repost a post that was on Elon Musk's account, and yeah, this is the way it works. You could use it for many other instances. For example, you could tell him to copy and paste something, research, compare prices between Amazon and eBay and stuff like that, and just without you touching the mouse. So if you find this video helpful, please like the video. Maybe you can comment the use cases you will use this extension. And yeah, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.